Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp for Windows PC. Basically what you want to do is go to any internet browser. In this case I'm using Google Chrome. Go over to Google and type in WhatsApp. Press search, and then the first organic link is going to be www.whatsapp.com. Go ahead here, accept the cookies, and from there's a download button on the top right of the page. This one right here, it turns black. Press that, and then it's going to start downloading in your recent download history tab. Just wait for it to complete, and then it has completed now. Press this button right here, show in folder. That's going to open up your downloads folder. From there, you want to double click on the WhatsApp installer. And it's going to start downloading all of the files and installing on this device. So you just want to give it some time to actually complete. I'm going to come back once this has fully downloaded on this device. Thanks. So guys, if WhatsApp doesn't actually open up straight away, what you can do is go to your search bar and type in WhatsApp. And then basically just press the app right here, and that's going to launch WhatsApp for you. So it says, welcome to WhatsApp. This app has obviously been successfully downloaded on this device. From there, you can press get started. And what it wants you to do is essentially link the WhatsApp app that's on your mobile device that's connected to your phone number. It wants you to link that with this device right here, with this desktop, this laptop device, this Windows device. So what you have to do is go over to your phone, launch WhatsApp, scan this QR code that's on your laptop or your computer screen right now, and that's going to link both devices together. I will do this on my phone. I'll screen record this so you can see the process. So guys, what you need to do is launch the WhatsApp app and then go down to the bottom right, the settings tab. From there, next to your name, there is basically a button on the right hand side, a circular button. Press that, and then that gives us the green button at the bottom that says scan. Press that. WhatsApp would like to access your camera. Okay. Allow access to all photos. Device code detected. Continue. And then it's going to ask us to link the device. So confirm it's you. To link a device, you'll need to use Face ID. Okay. So guys, it actually looks like it has scanned the QR code already, and now it's basically linked my mobile device to my Windows PC device. So both essentially both devices are working together, and you can access all of your chats via laptop, via your PC. So everyone, it looks like everything has worked correctly. Both devices have been linked together, and we can see that we have WhatsApp on this device. It's linked to my account right here. And yes, all I can say is thanks very much for watching. If this video has been helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. Thanks.